Hello everyone. In our increasingly technologically driven world, the machinery utilized in the food industry has made leaps and bounds. To cater to escalating global food demands, cutting-edge technologies are now integral to food production and processing factories. Gone are the days of labor-intensive food production, replaced by the ease of processing tons of food at the mere press of a button. Today, we invite you to delve into the inner workings of food production and processing factories. Please support our channel by subscribing and liking our video. Let's kick things off with the egg breaker machine, an ingenious device that not only breaks eggs, but also separates yolks from whites based on the chosen operational mode. It comes with a smooth speed regulation feature to cater to varying production needs. Next on our list is the production of frozen broccoli. We'll showcase the Octofrost Tunnel Freezer, a top-tier machine that perfects the process of producing IQF broccoli. Its high-performance fans and perforated base plates offer unrivaled airflow that ensures optimal product separation and protects even the most delicate items like IQF broccoli. Moving on, we'll introduce you to HighSpeed Slicers, the TS500 and TS700. The TS500, a round blade slicer, is specifically designed to process a variety of cheeses, such as Gouda and Emmental. On the other hand, the TS700 allows for the slicing of products like pepperoni and bacon at speeds of up to 2,000 revolutions per minute and widths of up to 450 mm. Our fourth highlight is the canned pepper processing line. This machinery handles everything from the initial pepper reception to packaging in cans and final palletizing. With an impressive production capacity of up to 5,000 kilograms per hour, this multi-step canned pepper production process will undoubtedly provide a captivating visual treat. Subsequently, we'll take you through the automated potato chips production line. This line includes steps like washing, peeling, cutting, dewatering, frying, flavoring, and packing, all powered by state-of-the-art technology and high efficiency. Ever wondered about the journey of your favorite potato chips from potato to pack? Stay tuned. Lastly, we explore a salmon processing factory. Once the salmon is manually fed into the system, the machine measures it for precise cutting to ensure optimal yield. Follow along as we take you through the cutting stages, final measurements pre-filleting, and the final steps of freezing and packaging the salmon fillets. As we showcase these technologies, we hope to give you an enlightening tour of modern food production and processing machinery. Don't forget to support us by subscribing and liking our video. Enjoy the journey.